Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would remove your front bumper on a 2013 Ford Fusion. And so to remove the front bumper, there's a few things we need to know, and that there are up top here we've got two big push pins and three smaller push pins that would be pulled out right here. These two big ones, and then there's three number 25 screws, Torx to be removed. So just remove the three Torx 25s. Okay, so with those removed, now there are two number 10 millimeter bolts that are right in here, down on your fourth run of the grill. And you would want to use something pretty narrow and size 10 to get inside here. Your standard 3/8 won't fit in there, so you like a 1/4 inch works well. And then you just loosen those out and take them off. Once that's all done, down here on the bottom, you might have more depending on how much of your safety or protective shields are left on there. This one only had 5 on the front. There were a size 8 screw. So it's an 8 millimeter bolt head screw type look. And then over here in the wheel well, there would be some push pins here. We're missing those. And there's it's like a screw type push pin right here to be removed. So once that's removed, this side is basically free. All you got to do is just kind of grip the bumper and gently kind of pull it out. Okay? Now we'll do the rest on the other side. So we've got some push pins to be removed on this side. So with all those push pins removed, we're just going to pull the bumper there, and then just kind of pull it all the same. Just ease it back. So with the 3 electrical connectors, or there's 4 electrical connectors to be undone. 2 on this side, and then it just has electric wires that run over through this, connect over here. So once you got those undone, then you can remove your bumper, and if you need to take pieces off this to put on your new bumper, and then you can put your bumper back on. So you just go through the reverse process to put everything back on, lift it up, hook the electrical connectors back up, make sure you put your 3 T25 screws in up here, and then all the push pins that go in up top here, and you got 5 screws down there, might be a few more if you've got all the shields, push pins on the side there. And that's good. These 2 bolts, make sure you put those back in. And that's how you would put your bumper back on, take it off, put it back on. Literally, you would pick it back up, put all those electrical connectors back up. And then the one thing you want to make sure, this right here, this is part of the headlight. And so that's why you've got to take the headlight. I mean, to be able to do anything with the headlight, you've got to drop the bumper, or at least pull the side off. Just the bumper. You want to make sure that this goes in between that line there, and then this tab goes in there, and then that way you're able to put everything back on, tighten everything back up, and that's how you would remove and replace a bumper on your 2013 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.